So hey, hi everyone. This is Atul Tripathi, and today we will starting with the way how we can make full stack project using React only. So how will we do that? The answer is on the screen, which is React Router. So till now we are using React Router as library only, uh, which is uh, which is just for routing in the front end part, which is client part of the project. But right now, as you know, the React router come up with the biggest change in the entire history, I should say, which is that React router v7. Now we can operate React router v7 in two mode, as you can see, which is framework type and library type. Now, in order to do routing in the client, right now you can also use library of React Router. But if you want your React to behave as a full stack framework, then we should use React Router new framework part. So, from today's onward, we are making the video on React Router v7 documentation. That is, how can we use React Router v7 in order to create the React full stack project. So what we'll be doing is we will going line by line, or you can say the docs of React Router v7, which you can see on the screen. First we will be covering how we can do the setup and all, which is this part. And after installation we will be moving ahead with routing, then route module, rendering studies, data loading, actions, navigating, pending UI, testing, and custom framework. Okay, so after doing this all documentation thing, what we will be doing is we will be coming up with a project which is entire built on the React Router v7, and we will figure it out how to deploy that on the server and see that because it's new. React Router v7 is new, and lot of products are not using Router v7 yet. So we will be figuring out how we can deploy the server of React and get the full stack framework benefit out of it. So in order to, if you love React and you want React to be everywhere, because as we know, if you know React, then we can create almost any kind of application on any kind of OS. So if you talk about mobile, so we have React Native. If you talk about web, we have React. And if you talk about the desktop development, then we have Electron.js, in which we can use React for the development. So now coming to this backend thing. So I just if you talk about me, I want React to present everywhere. So that's why I'm very interested in stretching the React in backend as well. So yeah, meet you in another videos. Please keep watching over this series, and thank you, and see you in another video. Thank you. Have a great day or night.